everyone, my name's Allie Cheney and I'm with Sun & Ski Sports at the WWSRA at Brighton Ski Resort. Today I'm super excited to be testing out the Salomon QST 94s. They are beautiful, a really nice graphic, so I'm excited to go test them out. These skis are true all-mountain skis. They're easy to trust everywhere. They are built with a poplar wood core plus basalt and fiberglass to keep it smooth and stable without feeling heavy. Overall thoughts on snow, they felt predictable and slightly playful. They were great on the groomers. You could take them in trees and honestly anywhere. You could definitely ride these through a variety of conditions. If you want a ski that can handle a bit of everything without being too demanding, these make a lot of sense. For more ski reviews, like and subscribe to the Sun & Ski Sports YouTube channel.